Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Marlene. I'm glad you're here. Today I have a quick little video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is for Yourcreativestudio. I've never done one before for them. But I have been seeing them online and on YouTube, and oh my god, the goodies that come in there, it's like amazing. So this is a stationary subscription box. You go to their website, which I'm going to link everything underneath. You open an account and you're signed up for the monthly stationery box. And that's all there is to it. So this is the box of September, and it got here really fast. The company is in Vancouver, Canada, but it got here really fast. And like I said, I've been looking at these boxes forever, and they're so cute, all the stuff she puts in them. So I am so excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I am very excited. So let's get started. Let me finish opening it up without cutting myself. So here we go. It comes in a little box like this. Everything's in here. I've seen other unboxings before. Oh my god, and the stuff is so cute. Okay, so here we go. Yourcreativestudio, my first box. Yay! I get my, look how pretty. She's got a little sticker in the front. And look how pretty this tissue paper. You know that we all save the tissue paper. And let me bring it close up so you can see the card. Oh, this is so sweet. And this is the back. Oh, I love her card. Pretty, pretty. Oh, look at this paper. I'm going to try to save as much of it as I can. Because as a matter of fact, I'm working on some projects now that I might be able to use that little telephone. Okay, so this is, what did we say? This was September. So let's see what's in the month of September. I'm thinking fall, the beginning of fall. I don't know. Okay, here we go. And she has a lot of cling stamps and stickers and all kinds of stationery goodness. What do we got here? Oh, how cute. I'm thinking my planner. Oh, how cute. Planner, journaling, my devotional. Look how cute. These are little stickies, but look at the background. Oh, I like that one. Oh, I love, love, love. So far, so good. So September brings this. And what is this? Oh, what is that? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. I think it might be like little file folders. Also for my Bible journaling. Why not? Oh, look. Oh, it's a little mini journal. Oh, I don't want to break this. Let me see if I can. And I don't want to cut myself. Oh, of course we can use this vellum for something. Oh, what a cute, oh, because since it was a candle thing, so I see the candle thing going on. Oh, how pretty. It's like a little journal. This will be great for my, I always like to have in my purse like a little something to make, notes and things and list. That's cute. Oh my god, there's so much to pick from. What do I pick? The box is actually loaded. What is this? I don't know. Let's see. What are they? Little cards? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, these are great. These are awesome, and there's like a lot. This will look great for even backing to use with stickers or whatever in front of them, or even make little notes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. What else? Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. A tiny little lantern that goes with the theme here. I wish I had my glasses on so I can read you what this card says. thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Buddha. Isn't that wonderful? Let me put it up close so that you... So I'm thinking that's the theme of the box. So very true. Let me focus so that you can maybe take a screenshot. This is worth even journaling about. There we go. So I'm seeing a theme here going on with candle, things that you can light up. I gotta open this, guys. I gotta see this little thing. Adorable. Look how cute. Is that the cutest? Oh, adorable. Okay, so here's another little sticker. See that little lantern that I just opened up? Oh, this will make for a cute little pocket, so obviously I don't want to tear it to 100 pieces. Let's see what's in it. Oh, a cling stamp. Oh, I love a cling stamp. Oh, how cute. This is the cling stamp that goes with the whole box. A lantern. Beautiful. What do we have here? Washi. Who doesn't love washi? Whether you journal or not. And I like her little packaging envelopes because you know we can use that. Oh, look at the washi that matches everything else. Look how beautiful. Very thoughtful box, I think. Yeah, very pretty. And then those neutral colors that I love that can go with anything. What is this? Another cling stamp. Oh God, I don't want to break it. Oh, I'm so excited. All this goodness. But I love cling stamps because they don't take up a lot of room. I have to show you how I store these. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. What is this? A tiny little candle. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these, how cute. Tiny little candle, a bigger candle, and that one. Beautiful. Love them. Love them. So now I'm going to have to create like a own page for your creative studio to put my cling stamps. Oh, I love anything that has to do with the postal system. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute. Beautiful. Can you see that? And I like the fact that they're not white. That they're like, love that. Oh my God, it goes on and on. What are these? More stamps? No, what is this? I don't know what it is, but we're going to find out. I like the backing on it. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I'm going to put this right on my journaling little area that I have over there. I have all these little trays. So I'm going to open a little tray for your creative studio. Oh my God, you get a lot in this box. Look at all these postage stamps. Oh, wait, I like the kitty. How cute. Oh, I love the kitty. That's so perfect for me. Oh, how cute is that? And it looks like you get, this is vellum, and it looks like you get 2 of each. Look how pretty these are. What is that? Making art. Oh, yes. I love that. I love that, love that, love that. Oh, I already know exactly where I'm going to use that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put it aside. Love that. Oh, I love her. I have a stamp that kind of looks a little bit like that. Music. Look how pretty. You get lots of them. Oh my God. Look how pretty. Oh, I love Paris. Anything to do with Paris, I love. Bicycles. My God, looks like this box was made for me. Look, I like bicycles and kitty cats and Paris and oh, love it. Wait, there's more. There's even more in here. Oh, wow. More goodies. These are great. Great. Muebles. Juan Busquets. Oh, lots of goodies. These are awesome. Awesome. Prettiness. Oh, yes, these will be used. And look how pretty. Even the back paper is beautiful to use in something. This will make a great journaling card, I think. What else we got here? What is, that's pretty, whatever it is. It's beautiful. Let's see what it is. I was surprised my box got here so fast. I was like, it's Canada, it's going to take over a week. Got here like right away. What are these? Oh, they're little tiny little envelope vellum, which I love vellum. And they're like, look how cute. Like a little envelope with a little journaling card. How beautiful. This can go with anything. And look how neat this is. This is the little bouquet. Of course, you know, I'm a gardener, so I love that. But then the vellum envelope has what I think it's the little vase. And it says something, and I have to go to the light. Yeah. I don't have my glasses on, but it's in gold leaf. Oh my God, it's so pretty. But let me see. Let me show you all. So the little note goes here, and I think the flowers are coming out of the vase. Look how cool is that? Oh, I love that. So you get, what did I get? 3 of those. Pretty, pretty. And what else is this? I don't know. But I love how it's wrapped. Let's see what it is. Boy, look at all that. I got a lot of stuff. Natural collection. Oh, can use that for something. That's pretty. Another vellum envelope. This one has like a little slot. Let me see what's in here. Oh my God, it's like Christmas. Oh, like Christmas. These are like little journaling doodads. Oh, how cute. Little journaling cards. No, I think these are stickers or rub-ons. They shine, so I have to test these out. What does it say? Well, they're shiny. They could be just journaling cards, but I'm gonna see how they're shiny. Very pretty. Look at that. Look at these butterflies. How beautiful. And then what do we have back here? Oh, vellum. This is not beautiful and delicate. Oh, I think I know what I'm going to use that for. Oh, a little envelope, a little tuck spot. So you got it built. Cute. Another one. See, these can go with just about. These colors are beautiful. Oh, look at this dainty vellum. Goodness. Oh my God, so cute. All the stuff. More vellum. Oh, I love the blue one. Beautiful. What do we have? Another one. Butterflies and roses. Oh, how pretty is that? Beautiful. What are these little cards? Wait, I'm dropping all my goodness here. I want to make sure you guys see it, and I want to see it. Like a little file folder or a little tag. This can be a, look, it's a little tag. Cute. Another little tag. Oh, these are adorable. I'm working on something. This is perfect for fall. Oh my God, how cute. It's like your own little treasure box of goodness. And now I have my very own. I'm so excited. Look how cute. This one. Oh, I love mushrooms. I love all this nature. I'm working on something. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I'm going to work on a Yourcreativestudio project on itself, by itself, because I think this box is, for me, perfect. What else we got? We got a couple of more things down here. A lot of things down here. We got a little sticky. Look how cute. cute. The little lanterns again. Beautiful. And then we have like, these are little 6x6 paper. Very pretty. And what is this? Very pretty. I like these colors. Again, I love anything that's to do with script. I love. Oh, look at this one. Is it backwards? Gourd? No, it's like this. No, like this. Sorry. Beautiful. I like the colors here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So, guys, there are all my goodies here. Thank you guys for watching. And like I said, I'm going to link everything. I'm going to take a look at her previous boxes. They're all gorgeous. But, yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Okay, go get yourself a box. God bless. Bye.